Hey, Sparkle Farm, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is cooking session where we are going to cook rice. We are going to cook dengu, which will be mixed with carrots. I really like my food tasting natural, having their own natural taste, and I really don't like a lot of spice. I don't like spices generally. I prefer herbs, but then my food is very unique today because I'm not going to put all that as they are not affordable in many homes. So as we said, we are cooking dengu mixed with carrots and then rice. But before I dive into that conversation, allow me to welcome you to this Sparkle Farm official, where we live, we learn, we love, and we laugh together. This family, everybody is most welcome on board. Don't forget to like, comment, view, like, and share to as many people as possible. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I want to thank you, each one of you, for choosing to be part of this Sparkle family. All my subscribers, thank you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers before the end of September. And now let us dive into what has brought us here together. I am there selecting the rice because it is Kenyan rice. It is not prepackaged. This is Kenyan rice, pishori from where generally it has stones here and there, and that's why I have to remove them before cooking. Yeah, I am there confirming that the rice is safe. And there is our saucepans for cooking both the rice and the stew, which includes the green grams with carrots, and the other saucepan is going to cook the rice. And I start by putting the oil. Always whenever you are cooking, put your oil to heat first. Don't overheat, just to heat. Then you add your onion, and you add this one I'm adding the ginger, fresh ginger. I'm going to allow them, after the onion has browned, I put the ginger, I allow it also to brown. Then I'm going to add the carrots. There is the ginger, I've just put the ginger. I think my video is hiding that part, but I have put the ginger, which I'm allowing them to cook gently. The fire is not so high because, again, I really don't need to rush my food. I want my food to cook gently. Guys, please comment down there what you would like us to cook next. But for now, there are our carrots continuing to cook. You stir. Once you put them, you allow them to stir. Number one, I did not parboil them because I didn't see the necessity of parboiling them. Yeah, those carrots cook quite fast. And what I'm going to do is add water to them. There I have the other bigger saucepan on the right side, which is cooking the rice. Yeah, I can multitask. So I have put there, I had already put the oil to start heating. Then I put the onion there to allow it to cook. I'll put the ginger later, the garlic later. That is the garlic I was showing you. Meanwhile, my carrots are also cooking. And don't forget, they are part of the team, in case you forget to pay attention to them. The good thing is I can do both together, both at the same time. Yes, so there is my stew cooking. I had already parboiled I had already actually boiled the dengu, so I'll put them much later after the carrots are cooked, to my natural taste, to how I like them cooked. They are not hard, they are not soft, such that I can taste all that. There, finally, we are adding the water. Now, this is the point that they will cook on their own. I don't want to put a lot of water. I just put a bit to allow them to first cook. Then, if need be, we will add the water just to make it with a bit of stew. This is a meal that most families can afford. Yeah, a carrot there, an onion there, a ginger there, and a garlic. Yes, so don't forget, I still have my onion on the other side for the rice cooking. I had put it on low fire so that it doesn't over brown. So unajua pia onion ikiburn huwa inakaa black and it can make you not to enjoy your rice. So nime increase fire because now my carrots are settled. Yeah, they can cook without me paying so much attention to them. The next thing we are going to do, yeah, my carrots are ready. Well, all this time, oops, I think that is the wrong saucepan. After chefs who want to make mistakes, so I had to remove them and cut another onion and cook for the rice. Anyway, the green grams have had enough mafuta and enough oil, so I won't put a lot. Yeah, so there we are. Soon after, we will just now, yeah, it was meant to have rice. I'd already measured the rice. Usually the rice, you measure 1 part of rice is equals to 2 parts of water. Generally, that is the actual amount whenever you are cooking rice. Don't put more, don't put less. Oops, the Kikuyu in me, don't put less. So after putting the rice, I put the salt. I never forget to put the salt, but I really don't put a lot. I just put enough. Yeah, there is my salt. And then don't also forget to keep stirring your stew. Yeah, that is like a stew most families can afford. Yeah, dengu ni kitu unaweza afford. Na hiyo dengu, by the way, can be served either with rice, can be served with chapati, can be served with gouache, sweet potatoes. Remember I told you rice 1 part is equals to 2 of water. There I am. I had already measured my rice with that cup, so I was going to put the amount of water according to the level of the rice. It was like a cup, but as I also don't cook a lot since I'm alone, I normally cook. If I cook that cup, I know I'll eat it for dinner, I'll eat it for lunch, I'll eat it for dinner, and even lunch the following day. Then I also added a bit of water ya kastiu. Ya lazima kastiu pia kakue na maji, lakini sio mingi, just below the food, the amount of food I have. But then Sparkle Farm, msisahau kucomment down there mungetaka tufanye nini. What other thing would you like me to teach you how to cook? I tasted the salt and realized it was not enough. And then I'm so grateful that you guys are choosing to support us and to be part of this Sparkle family. So soon my food will be ready, because the rice, once the water reduces, you reduce the fire, you cover it. Yeah, the stew as well, you simmer it, but remember the carrots are already cooked and the dengus are cooked, so there's no much to do. So, and there is my food ready to eat. Cheers, bye, thank you.